Hi mga ka-chill! To be honest, I was not sure if I should post this. It's been really difficult knowing that Anthony is no longer here. I never imagined that last Christmas would be our final one together. In fact, it was also the first and last Christmas Eve na kami lang dalawa. Usually kasi we spend it with friends, chill lang sa bahay. Normally pag Christmas hindi kami maalis sa bahay. But this time, most of our friends nagbakasyon sa Pinas and doon nag-celebrate sa Christmas din. So ayun, it was just us. So if you know Anthony, alam nyo na he never likes celebrating alone. Kahit simpleng dinner lang, gusto niya lagi may friends kasama. But that night we had dinner, just the two of us sa the boardwalk. Simple, quiet, and meaningful. So we enjoyed the food actually. Nasasarapan kami doon sa mga kinain namin. The next day, syempre Christmas lunch, we spent it with one of our closest couple friends here dito sa Dubai din. Kaya ayun, we spent it in Samsam kasi favorite namin yung restaurant nila yan.
Bawal magsubukan dito Bawal dito yan Ay, doon lang siya. Meron siyang isang room doon with his wife na Amazon sa bahay.
Kita ko ngayon sa Facebook.
Sabi niya payamanin ka daw niya pero kailangan mo siyang sundin
And
sa
of
lahat
course,
ng bahay.
hindi naman mawawala yung dessert and coffee after dahil yan na talaga yung nakagawian namin na gawin. So ayun, nag-coffee din kami sa tabi lang din ng Samsam.
Ito yung ano ko, isang araw ko pa ito gusto kainin.
Isang araw ka gusto kainin, tapos pag di ka nasarapan,
Ay, tala na ano yun.
Dinner naman, we share it with another dear friend na favorite naming restaurant din. A full day of simple joy, now a memory I hold so tightly. Han, wherever you are, I want you to know that I'm trying to live a life the way you always wanted me to. Pero it's hard. Kasi I know, knowing I can no longer spend Christmas with you. On many other occasions, please bear with me, Han. I know you never wanted me. Sad. But the truth is, I miss you so much every single day.